Now we've got to remove the toilet seat, and usually most toilet seats have a flap cover here. You can take a little screwdriver and just kind of push it underneath there, and it usually has prongs. See, this one had two little prongs that push down over that. Some click a different way, so you can kind of look at that and see how it's going to go. And on this one here, the threads I can do with the Phillips screwdriver, and if you can't get it, there's also usually one thread goes all the way across where you can put a standard screwdriver in there too, and if you have a bigger one, you can use that. And what you're doing here is there's a goodie underneath here that's going to spin, and on this one I have to hold it and I can actually unscrew it. Some of them come off in different ways. So see, now I'm just using my screwdriver to hold on to that. See there? That's what this one has. Some have a little knob on the side, so as this turns, the knob hits the side of the toilet underneath it, and then you don't have to hold this. Okay? So once I loosen it, now I can just spin the bottom, and it's that quick, like that, to get that one off. Now I can pull that up, and I'll have to clean that stuff off. That was underneath this, so I'll clean that off. And see, here's your threads, your plastic threads. Generally, most of them have plastic threads nowadays, and that's just from the back, you know. So before I put everything back together, we'll go ahead and we'll clean this stuff off. Boy, that's all sticky too. It's just something from underneath that little bar. Yeah. All right. All right, spray some more. More. Now somebody's going to say, hey Joe, how come you don't have gloves on? Well, I guess I don't need gloves. I'll wash my hands. It'll be no big deal. No big deal. I'm gonna try to get some of this stuff off. Oh, okay. Scouring pad. It only takes a few minutes to get everything clean. Now granted, when we put our bracket assembly back on there and stuff, it's going to cover all this stuff up, but this gives you a good time to just clean around there. Thank you very much. Oh, I don't want to goober up your good towel. Okie dokie. There. There we go. Ready for the next step. So we got to bring that bracket assembly in here and see how well it's going to line up. Yes, nice and strong. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.